Okay, so I started making a little smokehouse to smoke meat with, just out of plywood and 1x4s and 2x4s I found laying around. I just cut the 1x4s to put the racks on, and I just made it to fit the barbecue grill racks. It's very simple and easy to make, so I'll put it together and we'll go from there. Okay, so I finished the smokehouse. It's just below chest height. I used just materials that I found laying around. The door latch is bolt with a nut. Screwed a cut out piece of plywood there to latch the door. Just opens. I'll grind off the screws yet. I just four 2x1s to put the racks on. Just kind of reinforce the bottom with enough room for a hot plate on the bottom. And I just used big door hinges that I found. Whole thing's just screwed together with wood screws and some 2x4s and a little bit of reinforcement. It's not airtight, but just have to smoke for 3 times the amount of time because I like things really smoked. That's it. Thanks for watching.